I got myself a new mini tripod for my phone. I actually genuinely needed this. The last one was made of plastic and it broke. Let me show you. So this one, I tried to piece it together, but the base broke because I stood on it. And it's really useful because it goes all the way up and I need it. So it just flung everywhere. See how high it goes? Super useful, but it's made of plastic. We got a mad upgrade from Amazon. So this is a EUCOS ET01 selfie stick tripod. You know, we're changing it up on the channel. Normally we do PlayStation stuff, but today we're doing some techie stuff that I actually need. So when I shoot my video shorts, I need a tripod for my phone, and this is what it's there for. All right, let's check it out. Really good packaging, by the way. This wasn't too expensive. It was like 30 bucks from Amazon. And parameter wise, 12 inches carrying size, max lifted height, 62 inches, 7 section poles. I don't know what that means. Transmitting distance, 33 feet. Battery type, there's a battery in this. Pretty sick. Okay, and it says all of the stuff that I can do here. We're just gonna go for it. Boom, this is a huge upgrade. Look at this. This looks nice, guys. So I like the fuel down the bottom. That's pretty sick. Nice. Sussing this out for the first time. You've also got these options. Probably won't need it. The main things I need is just this and then going taller. So right now we've got this really nice sort of metal thing. Okay. Guessing that's Bluetooth. Okay, cool. So this is gonna go up really good. Okay. That's just gonna go in like this. We can now lock it with this mechanism. Real nice. It's got a smell. Woo! It smells like a brand new car, but also a bit of burning rubber for some weird reason. Ooh. And it doesn't have shock resistant tips or shock resistance right here either, but it definitely looks a bit more sturdy. It's got this grip, which is quite nice. All right, here we go. Boom. It's getting taller. Let's see how tall it goes. I think this is actually taller than the previous tripod, which is sick. Really cool. We have so many more options. As we can see, this can go all the way here. So I can now do top down, which is sick. Or I can just do this way, which is, you know, sort of selfie view. Or if I wanted, probably get it to do this as well, which is like actually holding it, which is the one that I want it to be. Then I just, boom. Just make sure this is tightened. So you actually use this wheel right here to tighten it. Okay, so that comes off, which is interesting. But at the same time, this is a screw. So I could just get any kind of these and it'll work just fine, which is sick. So all I have to do is just sort of lock that in. Like that, just screw that in. And boom, we got ourselves a tripod. Plus, there's this remote control. So this is actually an upgrade of some sort, which is interesting. So if you never need something that's wireless, like a selfie stick, can be used as a selfie stick. I just turned it on and it's flashing, so it's Bluetooth connection. All you have to do is Bluetooth connect that, boom, to your phone, take some selfies, put it on timer mode. And that's what that battery was for. So that would be one of those rounded mini batteries that you use. But this is a huge upgrade from the last one. It's a lot more sturdy. It's got a nice base, nice and easy to work with. Just a bit of pressure there. There we go, boom. So it does go pretty nicely in. And I like the locking mechanism. I actually think it's a huge improvement. This is a nice Amazon product. I can't actually figure it out. I don't need to do it because I just technically just keep it here and it doesn't do anything. This is its like home, but yeah, I can't figure out how to loosen this off. Right now, it should be loose. Because that's supposed to tighten it. It's just like, because it's brand new, it's going to be real hard to like push this back. But that's all good. Aha, there we go. So you got to put that pressure on sort of around here. That'll keep it compact. And then there we go. That's it, fully compact. And if you really wanted to, just sort of do that. But I would prefer to keep it straight, to be honest with you. So yeah, that's everything. So let's put the phone on, show you an example of it in use. And I can even do a video where it's top to bottom, like show you how tall it actually is, because it seems pretty good. This could actually be the best phone tripod or selfie stick on the market, and it's super cheap. It's from Amazon. It was like 30 bucks, and I actually genuinely needed it. So this is nothing but fantastic. There we go, a bit more pressure. Boom, that's really good. I like how sturdy this actually is. Okay, so let's put in use. So the previous one was just like a slide, but for this, we gotta just open that wheel up a bit more. So that's all you have to do. You just have to manually twist it to put the phone in. There we go. So this will be really useful if you need like a time lapse or something done as well. You need something sturdy. There we go, boom. You just put that in like that. That is not bad, guys. So that's real sturdy. Plus you got the Bluetooth connectivity. So if you need to, you just get this remote, put it on Bluetooth mode, which is basically this right here. And you'll download an app and just press this. But right now I just need it for what it is. So I can go like that, use it like this. It's pretty good. So right now, there we go. So I can now use this as the tripod that I really want, and then connect this, boom. And this will also be really good for like live videos, TikTok, Instagram, all that sort of stuff as well. And even just reels, going live on reels, talking to an audience. Even with this camera, would be super useful and super helpful. So this is quite a nifty tripod. And I'll show you from top to bottom how tall this can actually get as well. My main compliments is how sturdy all of this actually is. All right, let's see how tall this can actually get. Okay, so that's the top. Go all the way down to the bottom. So that's about my height actually right now. So this is about 5'9", if you're around there, or 5'10". I think I'm 5'10", I believe. Yeah. So this is the body close up. Get to see everything in action. So yeah, hopefully this video helps you out. If you need a good tripod for your phone, this will actually be quite useful. Thanks for watching.